You're in a social setting. People found out that you're a magician, so of course they asked to see a magic trick. What do? I ask 5 of the top magicians in various fields, what do they do? Not only do they tell me what they do, they teach it to me. As a little special challenge to myself, I try to perform each and every one of the tricks that they taught me that morning in the evening. We got together the next day and critiqued the performances. So where do you find 5 top magicians? They're hanging out at Mac King's house in Las Vegas. World-renowned mentalist Banachek. Comedy magician, author, and historian Mike Caveney. Las Vegas headliner for over 20 years, the hostess with the mostest, Mac King. The godfather of corporate magic, Bill Herz. And Chris Kenner, who's impossible to describe in one sentence, so Google him.